Imagine your next therapist isn't a person, but a 3D holographic AI avatar sitting on your desk or bedside table. Sounds futuristic? It's real, and it debuted at CES in Las Vegas. This device, called Project AVA by Razer, is a small tube, just a few inches wide and 6 inches tall, displaying a holographic avatar that can see you, track your expressions, and even talk back. Right now, it's pitched as a 24/7 AI companion, helping with gaming, daily tasks, and keeping you company. But the real potential, it could evolve into your in-home AI mental health therapist. Before we dive in, hit like, subscribe, and comment. Let's get this conversation going. Generative AI is already shaping mental health guidance. Millions turn to tools like ChatGPT for support, sometimes even daily. But the risks are real. AI can offer inappropriate advice, and lawsuits have already highlighted these dangers. Now, imagine combining AI therapy with a visual, interactive hologram. Unlike a smartphone, Project AVA gives a sense of presence, making interactions more natural. You might casually chat while doing chores, and the AI could proactively check in on your mood, helping you process emotions in real time. This raises tough questions. Will people choose AI over human therapists? Are privacy safeguards strong enough? And ethically, how much should AI influence our mental health? We're in the middle of a global experiment, testing AI as a mental health resource with enormous potential and real risks. The takeaway: AI could transform support systems, but proceed thoughtfully. Check out the video in the corner to see more on AI's role in mental health. And if you want to explore this further, hit that subscribe and let's keep the conversation alive.